Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today class 8th, subject is science. Date is 8 of September 2020. आज हम प्लैनेट्स पढ़ते हैं. प्लैनेट्स में आज हम अर्थ पढ़ेंगे. अर्थ, प्लैनेट में अर्थ हम पढ़ेंगे. तो ये अर्थ इज द थर्ड प्लैनेट फ्रॉम द सन. अब अगर सोलर सिस्टम का हम देखते हैं तो पहला जो प्लैनेट है वो है मरकरी, और उसके बाद है वीनस, और उसके बाद जो हमारे पास है अर्थ. It has one natural satellite, the moon. The earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life exists. Only planet on which life exists. On account of correct distance from the sun, correct temperature and presence of air, water and soil. अब इसमें टेम्परेचर सही है, यानी हवा इस पे मौजूद है, वाटर इस पे मौजूद है, और सॉइल. ये चीजें जिंदगी के लिए जरूरी है. साइज ऑफ अर्थ. द अर्थ इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्फीयर. It is somewhat flattened at the poles and bulged at the equator. The average diameter of the Earth is 12,800 kilometers. ये average है. The circumference of the Earth is at the equator is 40,000 kilometers approximately. Diameter at equator. The mass of Earth is estimated to be 5.98 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. ये यहाँ पर estimate किया गया है. It is surrounded by an atmosphere of 20.9% ऑक्सीजन, और उसके बाद है 78 नाइट्रोजन, 78.03%, और इसी तरीके से अदर गैसेस हैं 1%. The atmosphere extends to a height of 200 kilometers. हाइट एटमॉस्फेयर की तकरीबन 200 किलोमीटर्स. द मोशन ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन इज कॉल्ड रिवोल्यूशन. इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 150,000 billion kilometers in a nearly circular orbit. It takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution around the sun. The earth spins about its own imaginary axis like a top. From west to east, this motion of the earth about its own axis is called the motion of rotation. The earth completes one rotation about its own axis in 24 hours. Formation of day and night on the earth. The sun gives heat and light all the time. This heat and light energy is received by all the planets revolving around it. However, at any time, only half of the earth faces the sun, whereas the other half is opposite to the sun. The half of the earth which receives light has day, whereas the half opposite to the sun has night. However, as the earth steadily moves about its own axis, gradually the day part of the earth moves away from the sun, that is, towards the night side and vice versa. Thus, days and nights are formed. Change of seasons. Change of seasons on the earth takes place due to the following reasons. Number one, the axis of rotation of the earth is tilted at an angle of 23.1/2 degree with vertical. Number two, the earth is not always at the same distance from the sun on account of its slightly elliptical orbit around the sun. Note in the figure, अगर हम आपको फिगर दिखाएंगे तो उस तरीके से आपको ये पता चलेगा। तो इसमें कैसी सन की पोजीशन होती हैं ये देख लीजिए आप। ये टिल्टेड है थोड़ी सी, और एक यानी यहां पर आप देख लीजिए इसको। Tilted, and the rotation of the earth is always in the same direction. Due to this tilt in the axis of rotation, the position of the north and the southern hemisphere of the earth towards the sun keeps on changing throughout the year. When the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, we experience summer, whereas the people in the southern hemisphere experience winter. Similarly, autumn and spring occurs when the earth is between these two extreme positions in its orbit. On June 21, the earth is farthest from the sun is the southern hemisphere, but nearest to the northern hemisphere. Thus, on June 21, the northern hemisphere has longest day, whereas the southern hemisphere has the shortest day. On December 22, the reverse happens. That is, the northern hemisphere has the shorter day and the southern hemisphere has longest day. On March 21 and September 23, the duration of the day and night are equal in both hemispheres. Due to this change in the length of the day, the amount of the heat and light received by the earth changes every day. This in turn gives rise to season such winter, spring, समर एंड ऑटम, इस तरीके से बनते हैं। तो ये हमने देख लिया अर्थ और इसमें दिन और रात कैसे बनते हैं, मौसम कैसे बनते हैं, सर्दी गर्मी का क्या लिहाज रहता है, दिन का बढ़ना, रात का छोटा होना, दिन का छोटा होना, ये कैसे होता है। तो ये किन पोजिशनों से होती हैं, क्या क्या पोजिशन है अर्थ की और क्या क्या मोमेंट है अर्थ की, रिवोल्यूशन क्या है और रोटेशन क्या है। तो ये हमने आज जान लिया अर्थ के बारे में। इंशाल्लाह आगे और पढ़ेंगे। बाकी वस्सलाम।